model BPS3000 electronic dual pressure switch comes with the functionality of a switch, transducer and display in just one instrument. The BPS3000 offers various output options: single or dual switching output along with optional 0 to 10 volt DC or 4 to 20 milliampere analog output signal, enabling precise, continuous measurement and sensing. Dual switch point using two relays, one normally open and the other normally closed, with I/O link output. BPS3000 parameters can be easily configured using a menu-driven operation via 3 keys. The rotatable 320 electrical connection and the display on the BPS3000 units make the mounting and installation very versatile, accommodating a multitude of applications. The flexible display ensures perfect readability independent of the positioning. Even when mounting upside down, the indication can be viewed correctly as the software allows inversion of the display. The BPS3000 has 4 and 5-pin standard M12 electrical connection along with 8-pin connection for relay output version. Connect power supply to the device. On power up, the 14 segments LED display will turn on. To set the switch point 1, press the descending navigation key and select SP1 by pressing menu key and adjust the required switch point value by using ascending and descending navigation keys. Set the value by pressing the menu key. To set the hysteresis for switch point 1, press descending navigation key and select RP1. Adjust and set the value by pressing the menu key. Follow similar steps to set the values for switch point 2. The operator can see the status through S1 and S2 LED indicators as per the set point values. In addition to the switching outputs, the BPS3000 also offers an optional analog signal for additional control functionality. The output can be easily changed from 4 to 20 milliampere to 0 to 10 volt DC. BPS3000 has features to set the extended programming function such as resetting the device to factory setting, switching time delay, switching function of output 1 and 2, setting the pressure units and some more. BPS3000 has diagnostic capabilities to detect and display errors like sensor malfunction, short circuit, sensor limits, and more. Let's see a quick example of A-out error. If A-out error is displayed, there might be open output or short circuit. For more details on the error list, please refer to the BPS3000 manual. BPS3000 comes with security feature in the form of software locking capability. Keep the ascending and descending navigation keys pressed simultaneously for 5 seconds to lock the software. The software lock may be turned off by pressing the menu key and selecting Off option. With high accuracy of 0.5%, the BPS3000 is exceptionally suitable for various applications like machine tool industry, factory automation, injection molding machines, pumps and compressors, and lubrication monitoring. BPS IO Link version offers new possibilities for the automation industry. The IO Link digital protocol allows plug-and-play switch replacement, automatic device identification, remote parameter setting, and much more. Generation 3000 also comes with temperature, level, and differential pressure variants. The Barksdale Control product covers the full range of portfolio with BTS 3000 for temperature, BLS 3000 for level measurement, BDS 3000 for differential pressure, and BTLS 2000 for both temperature and level.